What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Neil Henderson here from Clearview Plastics in Sacramento, California. And today I want to show you our newest evolution and innovation in enclosures. Our new WorkSafe line is designed to enclose a wide variety of machinery and equipment that help to satisfy workplace safety standards. In laboratories and sensitive workspaces, protecting equipment, isolating an environment, and containing hazardous gases is critical. Clearview Plastics WorkSafe enclosures are fully customizable to safeguard your operations, ensuring safety and compliance. Our WorkSafe enclosures are tailor-fit to your needs. Custom sizes, custom layouts, attachments to fit your implementations, everything from precision lab equipment to chemical processing systems. Our custom dimensions and layouts allow you to enclose a range of equipment. Our innovative 3D printed bracketry makes these customizations possible. Whether protecting analytical equipment, isolating an environment, or protecting a workspace, our enclosures adapt to your needs. The cost and speed of implementing our enclosures can be a fraction of retrofitting a workspace or replacing equipment. Our enclosures can be ordered with gasketed doors and sealed panel seams to prevent leaks of particulate, VOCs, or hazardous gases. Designed to meet OSHA, ANSI, and NFPA standards, they maintain a safe, compliant workspace with IP54 protection against dust and liquids. As skilled designers and fabricators, we have a library of parts to implement requirements your workspace needs. Clearview also offers a range of ways to mitigate air quality standards with your enclosure. Choose our Quick Connect HVAC bracket to integrate your ventilation system, or an industrial grade air filtration unit from BOFA Air Filters with an H13 HEPA filter and activated carbon to capture ultrafine particles and VOCs. Both options ensure compliance with air quality standards for a healthier workspace. Choose from our additional options like keyed door locks to secure sensitive equipment, door interlocks for user protection, an emergency shutoff switch to help meet specific safety standards. These options ensure your enclosure meets the strictest safety and security requirements. Why choose WorkSafe enclosures? Clearview's WorkSafe enclosures combine a durable construction, unmatched customizable design, compliance-ready features to protect your equipment, personnel, and reputation. We service a range of clients from biotech labs, medical labs, and chemical processing. Our clients include schools, businesses, and government alike. Clearview Plastics delivers solutions you can trust. If you have a workspace that needs a custom enclosure, please visit us at clearviewplastic.com or contact us to design a solution tailor-fit to your needs. Let's make your lab or facility safer today. See some of our work and connect with us at our website, clearviewplastic.com.